Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, just right click on the start icon and click on settings. Now click on these three lines and click on Bluetooth and devices. Once we are here, just scroll down, click on mouse option. Again just scroll down and we need to disable this option, scroll inactive windows when ring over item. So just disable this one and close this window. Now press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also simply right click here and select run from here also. Then we need to type your main.cpl and hit enter. It will open mouse properties, then go to pointers options and we need to uncheck this option. If you selected this one, then uncheck it and click on apply and then OK. Now go to device manager, expand mice and other pointing devices. Then right click on the mouse, particular mouse device, go to its properties, go to its drivers tab, click on update driver, then select the first option, that will be search automatically for drivers, then the best drivers will be installed. If this not work, you can simply uninstall the device by just right clicking on it and select uninstall device and then press alt F4, keep alt F4 and when this window will appear, then select the restart and hit enter and the problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. You must check once, and yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.